Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2 of our buffalo chicken wings video. In this part, we'll show you how to cook your wings, make the perfect buffalo sauce, and serve them with dips and sides everyone will love. Barbecue wings are coated in a sweet, smoky barbecue sauce instead. They often taste more sugary and less sharp, with strong tomato and smoke flavors. Dry rub wings skip the wet sauce and use spices only, so the surface stays dry and extra crisp. A good buffalo wing has 3 key traits. The skin is crispy, not soggy. The meat inside is moist and tender. The sauce hits a balance of heat, tang, and butter so you keep reaching for one more piece. How to make crispy buffalo chicken wings at home. You do not need restaurant tools to make great buffalo wings in your own kitchen. With a few simple tricks, your wings can come out crisp, juicy, and full of flavor. Simple ingredients you need for classic buffalo wings. Start with raw chicken wings. Most stores sell whole wings or wings already split into drumettes and flats. Flats have more skin and feel lighter. Drumettes look like tiny drumsticks and are easier to hold. For the base seasoning, you only need salt and black pepper. Many home cooks also toss wings in a light coating of baking powder or cornstarch. This helps the skin dry out in the heat and turn extra crisp. You will also need a little oil or cooking spray to keep the wings from sticking if you bake or air fry them. For the buffalo sauce, gather hot sauce, butter, a pinch of garlic powder, and a splash of vinegar, or a tiny bit of honey if you like. Easy cooking methods: baked, air-fried, or deep-fried. You can cook buffalo wings in the oven, air fryer, or in hot oil. Each method can give you crispy wings if you pay attention to a few small details. For oven wings, use high heat and place the wings on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. Pat them very dry with paper towels before seasoning. The air around the wings helps the skin dry out and crisp. For air fryer wings, place them in a single layer so the hot air can move around each piece. Lightly spray with oil if needed and shake the basket halfway through cooking. This method uses less oil but still gives a nice crunch. For deep-fried wings, keep the oil at a steady, medium-high temperature. Fry in small batches so the oil does not cool down too much. Let the wings drain on a rack or paper towels before tossing them in sauce. How to make the best buffalo sauce at home. Classic buffalo sauce is very simple. Melt butter in a pan or microwave-safe bowl, then whisk in hot sauce. Add a pinch of garlic powder and a little vinegar if your hot sauce is not very tangy. You can control the heat by changing the ratio. More butter makes the sauce milder and richer. More hot sauce pushes the spice level up. If you like a touch of sweetness, stir in a small squeeze of honey. Toss the hot, cooked wings in the warm sauce right before serving. Thanks for watching part 2 of our buffalo wings video. Try these tips at home, share with friends, and enjoy that first crispy, buttery bite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.